So with the Yamaha, the 21 Yamaha Tracer, the fuel gauge not the best. Yamaha says it's because of the unusual shape of the gas tank. But what happens, until you get to basically half a tank, 50%, it looks like it's full. So if you're 51%, you've basically, looks like you just filled up. And then once you get at half, then this big bar disappears. And now you got the 3 remaining bars. So not the best. One other thing I don't like is the low fuel warning where this is going to flash on you. You'll get the indication up here. Comes at about 3.5 gallons consumed, so 1.5 gallons left. This bike gets like low 40s, like 43, 44 miles a gallon. To me, that's too early when you got 60, 70 miles left to be flashing. So I like to get gas at about 1 gallon left, a half gallon later than when this flashes. But the flashing kind of makes me nervous, right? So now I'm confident to go down to 4 because I know how much fuel I've consumed. This is pretty accurate. So this is one of the 4 I've selected. I've got coolant temp, ambient temp, fuel gauge, and one of the 4 I've selected is fuel consumed. And pretty darned accurate, generally within 1/10 of a gallon I found. So when that gets to 4 gallons consumed, I know I need to get fuel. Now, to reset this thing and to operate it once you've selected it. So I normally have my bike set for where the hand grips are, heated grips are ready to go. So right now, for example, I just turn the wheel and my grips are at 2. Got to refocus this, it's focusing on the wrong thing. Okay, so what you do if you're getting fuel, let me get off that function. I just press and hold the wheel. So I'm gonna reset this guy. So I press and hold the wheel to get off that function. Then I just turn the wheel and toggle over to fuel consumed. And then I press the wheel again. It'll highlight it. Now I press and hold and it'll clear it. I'm gonna skip that step because I don't want to clear it. And then, oops, now see this is how you select things. So trip time, I can select. I'm not sure, oh, that's cruise control speed, odometer. So I can select all these different things. So I'm gonna go to fuel consumed because that's what I like. There we go, fuel consumed. I'll click it again to get off there and I'm done. So I just get off the heated grips. I come over to fuel consumed, highlight it gray, press and hold, reset it to 0. So that's what you do when you refuel. Now to get back to where the heated grips are ready to go, I'll turn the wheel again. I'll go back to highlight the heated grips. Now I'll press and hold the wheel. And what you'll see, these 2 white lines appear, and you'll see the brackets there. Now I'm back to the mode that I like to ride in, which is heated grips are always at the ready, always ready to go. I just turn the wheel and my heated grips are on. I find that to be very useful.